Everyone, welcome back to another brand new video from ShantU Academy. Today we are going to do a numerical from work, power and energy chapter. This is a very important chapter in class 11 examination as well as in competitive examination. So let's get started. So the question reads is, consider a drop of rainwater having mass 1 gram falling from a height of 1 kilometer. It hits the ground with a speed of 50 meter per second. Take g, that is acceleration due to gravity, constant with a value of 10 meter per second square. The work done by first the gravitational force and second the resistive force of air. So we need to find out two things over here. First the gravitational force and second the resistive force of air. So what we need to do is that first we are given with, that is we are given with the mass is equals to 1 gram, which is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 kg. The height is 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meter. The velocity is given 50 meter per second, so that is 50 meter per second, and the value of acceleration due to gravity is constant, that is 10 meter per second square. Okay, so this is 10 meter per second square. Now what we have to do first, the work done by the gravitational force. So work done by the gravitational force is given as mgh. Yes, mgh, because due to height, gravitational force comes due to height, and you know that potential energy is also due to height, which is mgh. So the work done will be equals to the potential energy gained by the body. Okay, so that is equals to mgh. So what is the work done? That is m, that is 10 to the power minus 3 into g, that is into 10 into h, that is 1000 meters, so into 1000, so which comes to 10 joule. So the work done over here is 10 joule. And in the second case, what we need to find out? We need to find out the total work done by the gravitational force and the resistive force of air. So the total work done by the gravitational force and the resistive force of air is equals to the kinetic energy of raindrop. That is the work done by the gravitational force g, that is the potential energy, as I told you, due to height, plus the work done by the rain or the resistive force is equals to the kinetic energy gained, that is half mv square, that is due to the velocity, okay, minus 0. Now this Wg, the value is 10, plus Wr, that is work done by the resistive force, is equals to half into 10 to the power minus 3 into v square, so into 50 square. Okay, so into 50 square. So that gives the value Wr is equals to minus 8.75 joule. Yep, minus 8.75 joule. So we need to find out the answer in the question, that is 10 joule and minus 8.75 joule. So number C is the correct answer. This is a question from Neet 2017. Okay, so I hope you have understood this concept very well of work, power and energy, and you will be able to solve 90% of the problems from work, power, energy if you can understand this concept.
To learn difficult concept of physics, chemistry and biology within few minutes to crack Neet and JEE with fun, like, share and subscribe our new YouTube channel ShantU. You will get conceptual videos, highly effective notes, short tricks, mock tests and much more. Hope we shall meet there.